Hello students, welcome back. Today we will study the chapter Control and Coordination. So before we start the chapter, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for other videos. Main receptors in humans are gustatory for sensing taste, namely tongue. Olfactory for sensing smell, namely nose. Photoreceptors for sensing light, namely eyes. Phonoreceptors for sensing sound, namely ears. Thermoreceptors for sensing change in temperature, namely skin. Neurotransmitter receptors for sensing transmission of nerve impulse in neurons and synapse. The diagram alongside shows structure of a neuron. Neuron is a single unit of nervous system. Neuron has three main parts, namely cyton, axon and axon endings. In neuron, nerve impulse travels from dendrite to axon terminals in the form of electrical impulse. The gap between two neurons is called synapse. Synapse has a chemical called neurotransmitter which helps in transmission of nerve impulse from axon of one neuron to dendrites of next neuron. Reflex action is a rapid, automatic and involuntary response to stimulus. There are two types of reflexes, namely unconditioned reflexes and conditioned reflexes. Unconditioned reflexes are involuntary in action and not controlled by our will. They are inborn. For example, sneezing, coughing, knee jerk, withdrawal of hand on touching fire. Conditioned reflexes are voluntary in action and are controlled by our will. They are learned during life. For example, riding cycle, playing musical instrument, running. Reflex arc is a path followed by nerve impulse from receptor or sense organ to effector or muscles or tissues via spinal cord. The stimulus is received by receptor. It travels from receptor to spinal cord through sensory neuron present in sensory nerve. The impulse is carried from spinal cord to effector by motor neuron present in motor nerve. Inside spinal cord, interneuron connects sensory neuron and motor neuron. Different parts of nervous system are central nervous system, which is present on the central axis of the body like brain and spinal cord, peripheral nervous system, which is present on lateral sides or right and left sides of the body. They are nerves. Nerves which arise from brain are called cranial nerves and nerves which arise from spinal cord are known as spinal nerves. Third type of nervous system is autonomous nervous system, which brings balance or homeostasis. It has two branches, sympathetic helps to fight or flight and parasympathetic helps to rest and digest. The nerves are of two types, cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Cranial nerves arise from the brain and are 12 pairs in number, whereas spinal nerves arise from spinal cord and are 31 pairs in number. Human brain is enclosed in a cavity called cranium of the skull. It weighs around 1 kilogram to 1.5 kilograms. It is covered by three layers of protective membrane called meninges. The three layers are durmattar, arachnoid and pia mater. Brain has two hemispheres, right and left, which are separated by a deep groove called central cerebral fissure. Central spaces of the brain and central canal of spinal cord are filled by cerebrospinal fluid. Human brain has approximately 86 billion neurons, so it is very highly developed. Brain has three main parts, namely forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain has further three parts: cerebrum, olfactory lobes and diencephalon. Hindbrain has parts, namely pons, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Largest part of forebrain is cerebrum, which contain grooves and ridges to increase its surface area. Cerebrum has two regions. Outer region is known as grey matter, which contains cell bodies, whereas inner region is known as white matter and it contains axons of the neurons. Cerebrum has two hemispheres which are separated by a groove called cerebral fissure. The hemispheres are held together from inside by a band of nerves called corpus callosum. Cerebrum controls voluntary actions. Other parts of forebrain are olfactory lobes and diencephalon. Olfactory lobes are poorly developed bodies for sense of smell. Diencephalon further has two parts. Thalamus acts as relay center for pain and pressure impulse to cerebrum, whereas hypothalamus controls body temperature, blood pressure, and pituitary gland. Midbrain passes impulses from forebrain to hindbrain. It is also controlling center for vision and hearing. Hindbrain has three main parts, namely pons, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. Pons carries impulses from cerebellum to forebrain. It also carries impulses from one hemisphere of cerebellum to the other. Cerebellum maintains balance and equilibrium of the body. Medulla oblongata controls involuntary activities of internal organs like breathing, swallowing, peristalsis. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share this video. Please subscribe to my channel for other videos.